Hello people. So we are doing the Google Shopping modules for this e-commerce website, which is called as springtails.in. And in fact, in the last video, we have set up the Merchant Center account. So Merchant Center account is needed so that you can upload all of these products into the account, and then you can link Merchant Center with the shopping campaign, and then the shopping campaign will start showing these products when someone searches in Google in the form of product listing ads. So when you go on Google and type something like buy shoes, you get these kind of sponsored ads. These are called as product listing ads. Now, let's get into today's video, which is all about setting up the products or uploading products in the Merchant Center. Now, we have three different ways to upload these products. Number one, we can upload it manually by simply adding all these products one by one. But then if you have 100 products on the website, you can't just go with the first option. It could be very time taking for you. Then we have the second option, which is upload products using Merchant Center. So you'll be uploading two products using the Merchant Center. And the third, which is the easiest way, is to upload products using the Shopify app. We can only use the third option if we are using Shopify as the website development portal. So this product or this website is made in Shopify. That's why we have this third option as well. So let's get started with the first option. But then the question is, how will you upload products? What all information is needed? So I already have a Merchant Center feed created in this drive. People who are member of this training can access this Merchant Center feed. Here we have the product ID, then we have title, we have description. Then we need to have the link, or let's say if you want link for first product, which is Italian designer copper earring, I can take you to the website, put the URL in the top to search this product. And from the top, from the URL bar, we can simply copy and paste the link. Then we have to provide the product condition. If it's new, used or refurbished, then product price. So for this product, we have a price of 502. This is matching. Availability has to be in stock, out of stock, then the image link. Now, image link is a bit difficult to find out. You don't have image link anywhere unless you get into the inspection of this product. Then you search for a PNG file using Control F. And from here, you have to copy this file. Think after PNG and then click on enters. And here we have this link as the image link. I know it's a bit difficult to find out the image link, but we don't have any other option. Put this link in the image link bar. Then you need to upload the product identifiers. Now, there are very high chances where you don't have the product identifiers. We need to have three informations. First one is the global trade identification number. Second one is the manufacturing part number. And third one is the brand. So possibly you'll be having the brand. You can simply give the brand name. And if you don't have GTIN and MPN, you can simply give a value which says identifier underscore exists. Then the last one is the Google product category. And how do we find the Google product category? So we have to simply type Google taxonomy. Then we have to download the taxonomy file from here. Oops, where do we have the, okay, so this is file available in the Excel sheet. All right, so now let's quickly get into the Merchant Center account. This is our Merchant Center account, and we already have added business details, verified and claimed this account, added the shipping policy, linked it with Google Ads, added the billing details. Now it's time that we upload the products into this Merchant Center. So we have to get into this add your products option. And as I said, we have three different options. First one is to using the Shopify app, which we are not doing in this case because it's the easiest method. And if your website is not made in Shopify, you can't use this option. That's why we're going with the other two options, which is add one product at a time or add multiple products at once by using shopping feed. So let's go with this option, which says add a product at a time. We click over here. We don't have the product identifier, so we uncheck this option. We already have target country as India, language as English, destination as shopping ads. Then we provide the product ID. How do we get it? We already have all this information available in the Merchant Center feed. So I can simply, oops, give me a second. Uh, right, okay. So I can simply copy and paste all this information from the feed into the available options. Now let's say you don't have the feed, then it's going to be a bit difficult for you to copy and paste all this information. Springtails is the brand, this is the title, this is the description, landing page link. Okay, we can simply copy this link, put it over here. Image link, we can either upload the image or put the image link over here. Price was 502, I guess, that's right, 502 in INR. Availability is in stock, condition is new, that's right. And then we don't need to have anything else. Let's click on save. It's going to take a while, and then all this information will be uploaded in the Merchant Center account. So we are uploading this product as the one and only product in the Merchant Center. We click on go to all products, and here we have this product added to the Merchant Center. Now whenever you had this product, it goes in pending status so that Merchant Center can review your entire product. It goes through your product information, and if only everything goes fine, then only you get this product approved. You can't run the ads until you don't have approved products in the Merchant Center. Now let's go with the second option, which was adding 2 more products using the Merchant Center feed. Now we already have this feed format available. This is the feed format. All we need is to prepare 2 more informations for 2 more products, which is going to be the the product link and the image link. So let's quickly find out the product link. So what we can do, we can go back to this website, search for the product, click over here. This is the product link. We put it over here. We click on inspect. Then we search for PNG file, PNG, click on enter. I guess this one is the PNG file for the product. No, nope. Okay, I'm sorry. Here we have the PNG file. All right, let me try to copy it. Oops. So here it's copied, and then I have to paste it. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna function. I have to paste it again. Remove anything before PNG and anything before HTTP without entering. And then I click on enter. This is the image link. I simply copy it and paste it in the Merchant Center image link column. Then for the third one, again, I have to copy and paste it in the image bar. The product search bar. Then I have to copy it, put it in the link. This is the link for this product. And then I have to find the image link by simply clicking on the right side and then inspecting this image. Control F, use PNG. Let's check. Okay, here we have the content. I copy it, paste it, and before entering, what do? I remove everything after PNG. And I guess, oops, nope. Okay, wait, this is the most difficult task for me, at least for today. Right. Yeah, so here I got the image. I copy this image link, sorry, not the image, but the image link, and then I paste it over here. So now we have informations available for 2 more products. Now, how do we create the Merchant Center feed? For that, we have to click back again. We have to look for the product uploading part in this Merchant Center. Here we click on add. Under target country, we choose India. We click on save. Then in language, we choose English. And then we click on continue. After selecting shopping ads, we click over here. We give this feed name as feed 1. We are going with the first option, which is shopping, Google Sheets, I'm sorry. And then we click on continue. We are not generating. Okay, let's go with the existing sheet. I think I already have a sheet added on this email ID. So here I have the sheet added. I can simply choose this sheet. Now this sheet is having the information only for these 2 products. So I simply click on here. Otherwise, I can also create a new sheet by using a template. But because I have the format available, I'm going with the existing sheet. Then I click on create feed, choose the email ID in which this feed is available. It's gonna wait for a while. And then once this feed is linked, then we have to fetch the products from the feed. So here we get into fetch now. We click over here. We wait for a while until Merchant Center fetches the product information from this feed. All right, so we have to get into products, all products, and from here we can see we have all these three products uploaded. It's not available right now, it's gonna come pretty soon, but right now you can see we have three products uploaded in this Merchant Center account, and we have to wait so that these products gets approved. Now, as we have these products available, in the next video of this training course, in this sheet, we'll be talking about launching a shopping campaign, a standard shopping campaign first, and then next to which we have to launch a performance max campaign.